are in August month 2020. We are in 2020th year. Okay. So today's date is 6/8/2020. And what day is today? Thursday. Thursday. Yes? Okay. Now, Krishiv. Krishiv, mute your mic, Anna. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a surprise. Today, what subject we are going to learn? Any idea? Yes, actually, myself, you all know that myself, Savitri here, and we have Sangeeta ma'am. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? No, I'm not getting any answer here. Shravan KS, kindly mute your video for now. Shravan KS, kindly mute your video. Yes, thank you. And as well as your audio, I see your audio has been unmuted. Kindly mute your audio also. Yes, I'm getting many answers like phonic sounds, story, phonics, English. Okay. But today we are going to learn a new subject. Today we are going to learn a new subject.
நாங்க எங்க அப்பாவுக்கு பிரெட் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட மாட்டோம்.
It is computer science. Yes, hope you all know what is computer. But we are going to say brief into it. It is a separate subject, okay? Like English, Maths, Hindi, Tamil we are learning, right? Likewise, computer science is also a subject which we are going to learn in grade 1. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. Now, we will move on to lesson 1. Machines around us. Lesson 1. Machines around us. That is the first chapter in computer science subject. So, before we are moving into the lesson, we will see a short poem on that. Okay, what is a machine? Poem on machine. Machines, machines everywhere. Machines, machines everywhere. They are here for our care. Some to play, some to watch, some are here for to touch. Let's have intro with all. Let's have intro with all. I will tell you about big and small. I will tell you about big and small. TV, fridge, AC and phone. TV, fridge, AC and phone. Now, computer is also very known. Now, computer is also very known. Yes, hope you all enjoyed this poem. Now, we will move on to next one. Okay, already I told this is lesson 1 from computer science subject. Okay, so what are we going to learn from that lesson? That lesson name is machine around us. Hope you all remember. Machine around us. What are we going to learn? Okay, I'll tell you. The first one is natural and man-made things. So what all we are going to learn? Natural and man-made things. What a machine is? Computer is a machine. So we are going to see brief into these 3 headings. Okay? Yes. Let's go. Hope you all are ready with me. Yes. Mahavidya is 1E. Kindly mute your audio, my Kanna. Mahavidya. Okay. Now let's see what is a machine. See, from the beginning of the session, I was saying machine around us. What is a machine? Something was saying, right? So what is a machine? Machines are things you use in everyday life. Machines are things you use in everyday life. Machine, in everyday life, we are using any one kind of machine, right? So you use them to do different types of work. Let's learn more about them in the class, okay? Yes. Some of the machines which we use in our day-to-day life. I told we are using machines in everyday life. Each and every moment we are using any one kind of machine. At least any one kind of machine. Right? So we are going to see what are those. Mobiles. My God, we can't see anyone without mobile nowadays. Right? Mobiles are used to make calls when we are moving. So why are we using mobile phones? If we are using mobile phones, when we are going out also we can talk to others. Okay, not only for talking, for communication, different types of communication we are using in mobile, like email, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, many kind of communication we are using through mobile phones. Okay, now I will go to television. You all like it very much. Television is a machine used to watch movies and cartoons. Yes, you all will see cartoon, right? Yes, I know. Okay, you can use television, Kana, but it should be with the limited time. Okay, should be with the limited time. Always you should not watch TV. Yes. Now refrigerator. You all like refrigerator very much. I know then and then you will go and open the fridge door and look into what mummy has kept, yes? Then and then you will go look into that. Any eatables are there, any snacks are there, any chocolates are there.
Ma'am, sorry for the
You will-
disturbance, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, Jay from 1E is telling screen is not visible.
No, sir. Actually, screen is visible, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
We are here in 3 device, sir.
Okay, ma'am, just 1 minute.
Better
Jay-
that boy can just log
Yeah,
out
yeah,
and re-log in again.
Do it that one or check your network, Anna, please.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you and Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now he is getting it. Very good. So, refrigerator. As I told you, then and then you will go and have a look, right? What your mummy had kept, cake, chocolates. Yes? Okay. So, why we are using refrigerator? Refrigerator is used to keep food fresh. Ice cream also. Yes, of course. Ice cream, juice. Yes. Okay. So when we want to keep our food fresh and cool. Vegetables, yes, Kanna. We will see brief into it in the next slide, okay? Okay. Fruits. Yes, Kanna, kindly mute your audio and come to chat box. Good boy, Krishi. Chocolate already I told. Milk, yes. Idli batter. Yes, everything your mummy will keep it inside to keep that fresh for another 1 week. Yes. Okay. Yes. So we are using refrigerator for all these purpose. Kanna, kindly mute your audio, otherwise I will not continue the session. Mute your audio. Otherwise, I will not continue the session. Ranganathan 1F. Mute your audio. Yes. Next is washing machine. So why are we using washing machine? To wash our clothes. To wash our clothes. Yes. Next one is air conditioner. Yes. Nowadays everyone is having air conditioner, right? Without air conditioner, we will not sleep at all. But actually, it's good to use only in the night time. All the time, we people should not be in air conditioner. You should come, breathe in, breathe out, fresh air. Okay, that's only good for health. Yes, we can use it in the night time alone. Okay. Yes. So air conditioner keeps our house cool. Yes. Now we will move on to the main important machine. What is it? Computer. Computer makes our work easier and it runs through electricity. Computer works when it gets instruction from us. I think you all know to operate computer, right? Why are we using computer? Because it's making our work easier for typing, for playing, or for drawing, or many more works. Actually, your mommy and daddy will be doing many more works in it. Yes? Okay. And it runs through electricity. If it is plugged on only, the computer will work. Yes. And it gets instruction from us. So whatever input, whatever instruction we are giving, it will take it. Okay? Yes. And now we will look into brief into computer, and before that the features of a computer. Features. What does a computer do for us? What does computer do for us? What all we can do with the computer? Can I get it in the chat box? What all you will do in the computer? Yes? Play games, online class. Come on, come on. Drawing, PPT, drawing. Who is making PPT in that? I'm asking only about the kids. Which kid is that making PPT in the computer? If it is possible, kindly share for us also. It will be useful for us. Photo viewing, very good. We will be storing our photos in that. Yes, very good answer. And we will be looking for that. Yes, we can recollect our old memories. Typing, very good. Videos also, very good. Okay. Now we will see what I am having here. Yes. So, it works very fast. What all computer can do for us? The computer will work very fast. If we write it in a full paper, whole paper, it will take more time. Yes. But if we type means the same content if we are typing in the computer, it takes a very little time. So the computer works very fast. Draw and paint. We can draw and paint in the computer. And we can do calculations in the computer. Who is that giving annotation request? Okay. And it saves time and energy. So if we are writing in a full paper, it will take time, right? So if we type it, it will take very little time and it is a time saver for us. And energy also. Yes? Okay. Never make mistakes. If we are giving a correct input, the computer is also going to give a correct output for us. Yes? So it will never make mistakes, never gets tired. See, if we people are, if your ma'am is giving continuous writing for continuously for 3 periods, your hand will be paining, right? But see, this computer will never get tired at all. It can work continuously. If only thing, it wants an electricity connection. Yes? Okay, now we saw features of a computer. Okay, now we will move on to next one. There are two things in the world. There are two things in the world. What are they? Natural things and man-made things. Natural things and man-made things. Okay, now we will see brief into it. See here. What can you see here? What can you see here? Monish Magati. Kindly don't touch the annotation icon. Da. Yes, we are seeing a park here. Inside the park, what all we can see? Trees, sky, clouds, rainbow, grass, flowers, and some children playing over there. Yes, so these are the natural things we can see from this picture. So what is a natural thing? Natural things is a thing that already exists. See, trees are already there. Nobody is creating that. Anybody is creating the seed? No. It occurs in the nature. How not been made. Nobody is making that. Yes. And they are not caused by people. It is natural. The sky is natural. The rain is natural. The rainbow is natural. And even human beings, animals, mountains, rivers, beach, vegetables, plants, sun. Okay. So all these are natural things. Okay. Now I will read it. So some things are found in nature like rainbow, trees, flowers, and humans are natural things. So I will read the definition for this. Natural thing. The basic understanding of natural things is things that exist, things that already exist or occur in nature or created by nature. Okay, and have not been made or not caused by people. So that is called a natural thing. Okay. Okay. Now we will see some more examples for natural things. Sun, moon, trees, animals. We are having here a dolphin. It's not a dolphin, it's a shark. Yeah. Carrot, rain, rainbow, fire. See, nowadays actually we are using matchbox to fire something, right? But in olden days, they used to scratch 2 stones and create fire. That is natural. Okay. If you had not seen this, you just Google and see a video about this, how in olden days they were making fire without matchbox. Yes. And lighter. Okay. So this is also a natural thing. Now let us move on to man-made things. What is a man-made thing? What is a man-made thing? First, we will look into the pictures what we can see here. Sofa, window, chair, table, toys, and here we can see one globe, clock. All these are created by nature. Whether it is there already, how did it come? How did it come here? Somebody is creating that. Somebody is making that, right? Who is that? Humans. Man. Man-made things. Yes? Okay. So humans, we people are making these things. It's not natural. So these are called man-made things. Okay. Now, so some things are made by humans like table, chair, toys and house. These are called man-made things. Now we will see the definition for man-made things. The things which are made by humans, man, are called man-made things. Okay. Now we will move on to machines. That before we are going to brief into it, I'll give you a 1 minute break. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Savitri ma'am, 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is in the name of Iron 6C? Iron.
Might be a sibling, ma'am. Iron.
Iron, who is this? Huh?
Almond.
What ma'am? What is your name?
Alman. Of one name.
Alman. Okay. Alman, kindly mute your video, Kana. Yes, ma'am. You can continue. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's continue 1 minute break. Yes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Yes. Close your eyes. Press your eyes gently. Press. Okay. Now slowly open your eyes. Check whether you are having one arm distance from your eyes to the screen. Sitting straight. Hope you all are checking this then and then. Okay. Now it's over to Sangeeta ma'am. Please continue.
Savitri ma'am. Yes, children. So, till now, ma'am has explained to you what is a machine. I hope you understood, right? Yes. So, a machine is a man-made thing. Yes, from the word man-made thing itself, we understood the things which are made, which are created by man, we call it as man-made things, right? So what is a machine, children? A machine is a man-made things. Why it is being created, which makes our work easier. To make our work easier, machines are being created by man. That is why we call it as man-made things. So when we ask a question, what is a machine? How do you say that? A machine is a man-made thing which makes our work easier. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to tell you the name of the machine, and as well as you can see the picture on the slide, right? You can see the picture in the slide. It's a television. What is that, children? It is a television. Yes. Can you tell me the usage of television? Why television is created by man? Can you tell me the usage? Can I get the answer in the chat box? Yes. Can I get the answer? I hope you're listening to ma'am. Yes. Okay, I'm getting answers. Very good, Rian. Yes, it is for entertainment purpose. Is that so? Only for entertainment purpose we use television? No, so many purposes are there, but few of the purpose is entertainment, information, and even for education we use this television. Yes, nowadays we have smart television, right? Smart television, smart TV we have. So that pen drive has been attached, even the cables have been, you can attach with that, even the YouTube links you can watch it in the television, right? Okay, so, and there are also educational channels available in the television, like travel channels and the history channel, geographic channel, discovery channels. You can go through these channels and watch out, because always you cannot sit with the cartoons all times, right? You have to learn something from that. Okay, learn something. So you can watch out all these channels. These are available in the television, right? Okay, now tell me, previous days, when nowadays we are having a color TV, and of course it has been upgraded to smart TV, LED TV. previously, when your grandpa and grandma, those days, have you seen a television? Yes, previous days, what type of TV your grandpa and grandma was having? Black and white TV, right? It will be in a box size. Yes or no, children? And it will even have a door to it. Close the door. They will close the door so that it gives a protection for the screen. Have you seen that television? Have you seen it? Yes, anytime you get a chance to visit, and if it is available still now with your grandparents' home, still available in your grandparents' home, you can check it over there. And you can even, if it is not available also, you can get the views from your grandparents stating how will a old television be, because nowadays we watch it in a colorful manner, right? Previously it is not like that. Everything will be in black and white. Even if you see trees, natural things, clouds, water, everything will be in black and white. So you talk to your parents and ask them how do they feel while watching, whether only when it is seen in black and white. Yes, children, I hope you'll do that. Yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next machine. Yes. What is this, children? What machine is this? It's a mixer, right? You can say it as a mixer or a grinder or a blender. Anything we call it as. Yes. In which part of our house we use this, children? We use it in our kitchen, right? Who use this? Mother. Yes, mummy use this, right? Yes. Can you tell me what all the usage can be done in this mixer, grinder or blender? Yes, can I get the answers? Yes, you can use it for the purpose of blending batter. For making idli and dosa, you can use it, and as well as preparing juice, chutneys, and other purpose like ginger garlic paste. Anything we can use it this mixer grinder, right? Where mummy work is made easier and work faster. Yes, nowadays mummy is also working, right? So she can't stay at all times at kitchen. Okay, ever have you thought, if there is no mixer grinder, how will you prepare? And of course, this mixer grinder has been attached with electricity. When there is no electricity, how will you prepare a chutney? Or how will you make a batter? Have you ever thought about it? How will mummy prepare it? Anything? Yes, you know, previous days, in the olden days, there was a stone mortar. There was a stone mortar. You can, yes, when you're talking with your grandparents, you come to know all about these things. Stone mortar. Yes, mummy makes a batter in the stone mortar. They make chutneys. It's actually like an exercise, you know. It's actually like exercise. And the preparation with those stone mortar, it will be very, very tasty. When you visit your grandparents' house, of course they'll have one. Ask them to prepare it from that stone mortar and taste it. It will be yummy. Okay, children? Yes. So this is all a machine. Okay, this is all a man-made things. And of course, you see there, the television and the mixer grinder is being attached with electricity. When there is an electricity, only you can use these two. Okay, these two things. Okay. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, here comes the washing machine. Yes. Can you tell me the usage of the washing machine? Yes, in the word washing machine itself, we come to know it is usage for washing. Washing, for what purpose of washing? Is it for clothes or for vessels? Yes, washing machine is for usage of washing clothes. Yes, we use it for washing clothes. Yes. Okay, these are all have been man-made things, right? So man has created for us to make our work easier. Yes. Okay, this has all been recent days. Only in recent days these machines have been created. Think about the olden days, children. Think about the previous days. How your grandparents all will do, and sometimes even in some cases, in some of the houses now, we still see that mummy washes. She use only hand wash. She doesn't use washing machine. Why is it so? And if you see the difference between the hand wash and the washing machine, the time consumption, the energy, it saves time, right? When mummy washes the clothes 15 to 20 clothes, she takes much time. Whereas in washing machine, it takes very fast, right? And energy is being saved, right? Okay, yes. So machine are being created for us. It is a man-made thing and which makes our work easier. Okay, let's move on to the next one. It's a calculator. What is it? A calculator. Yes. What is the purpose of calculator, children? It is used for calculations, right? Okay, as you are not grown up, you use this calculator now, so your mind is your calculator now, right? You use simple numbers to calculate. When it's a large number, when it is a bigger numbers, it
Sorry for the
takes much.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Last 10 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So it takes much of time for us to calculate. So our parents and of course myself also use calculators for calculation, which makes us do it in quick manner. Okay, children. Yes. Now let's move on to the next one. Yes. Now what is this? What machine is this? Iron box. Yes. See in this picture you can see this iron box is being connected with electricity. There is one more iron box also where we use black coal, black charcoal. Have you seen it, children? Have you seen it? Still it isn't available. See, we use this iron box, the electricity iron box at home. But when you go for the shop, when you go to shop, when you give the ironing shop, when you give clothes to the ironing place, you can see the charcoal iron box, right? Where they fill black charcoal inside it and do the ironing. Okay, those two also are being created by man-made to make our things easier, to make our work easier. Okay, children. Yes, let's move on to the next example. Wow, bike. I hope boys love bikes, right? Okay, so why bikes are being created? Because to travel from one place to another. So it makes our traveling easier, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, mobile phones. What is the children? Mobile phones. Yes, sir. So there is lot and upgrade of. Kindly mute your audio, children. Yes, there are many upgraded phones. Now the display, what I'm showing is a smartphone, right, children? Can you tell me the usage of a smartphone? Now we use it for the making calls, then playing games, and of course, what is the main important thing we are doing now? Yes, online class. Yes, and you also receive PPT, worksheets, everything is stored in the phone, right? So that is the main purpose in the mobile phone during this pandemic time. Yes, not only that, yes, you can watch news as well as camera is available. You can take videos and photos. Yes, so many features and usages available in the mobile phone. Yes, so that is why it is very handy. You can carry it anywhere, right? Okay, good. Yes, so this is the usage of this mobile phone. So it is very helpful, which is a man-made one. Okay, children. Yes, let's move on to the activity. Yes, you can see in this first activity, you should spot out the natural things and color the natural things. Here you can see tree, clouds, sky, sun, fish, all these are natural things. Even beach, you can see beach, right? All these are natural things. So you have to spot that natural things and color it. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will move on to the second activity. Okay, next activity is spot and color the man-made things. Yes, you can see in this room. I think it's a living room. You can see here Television is a man-made. Then teapot is there. It's a man-made. Spot it out and color that one. Sofa. Then the light lamp, window, curtains, everything you have to color it. Okay. Now you can see there's a plant over here. Is a plant a man-made thing? No, it's a natural thing, right? So what you have to do? You should not color that one. But you see the down part. It is in the inside the pot. The pot is a man-made thing, right? So only the pot you have to spot it out and color it. Okay, children. I hope you will finish this two activities as well as you have one more act. Yes, now you have to match the things with their shadows. It will be a very easy task for you all, right? Okay, let's move on to it. You have to give me the numbering. Okay, you have to help me out. Okay, the first picture is a globe. So match it with a globe shadow, which is in number 4. Then green board, number 5. Bag, number 3. School bus, number 2. Clock, number 1. Okay, children, this is how you have to complete these 3 activities. I hope you like this new subject, computer science subject. Yes, yes, today Niralya is celebrating a birthday. Yes, Niralya, get ready and kindly unmute your video.